Welcome to Biology Time. Today, we explore the captivating life cycle of a seed. Falling into the earth, the seed plunges into the soil, initiating an extraordinary journey. Germination. The seed awakens, and a delicate sprout emerges, marking the start of life. First, roots and leaves. Roots extend for nutrients, while leaves capture sunlight for growth. Juvenile growth. The young plant defies gravity, showcasing the vitality of nature. Stem and leaf development. The stem strengthens, supporting growth, and leaves play a vital role in photosynthesis. Blooming. Colors and shapes unfold as the plant reaches the flowering stage. Pollination and seed formation. Pollinators aid fertilization, and seeds begin to form. Fruiting. Mature fruits with seeds are ready for dispersal, completing the plant's role in reproduction. Conclusion: full cycle. Witness the entire seed cycle, appreciating nature's complexity. Share and subscribe for more content celebrating life's wonders. Thank you for being part of our community.